Jet planes in the night sky with you.
Using this brown and yellow one stroke and a 3/4 inch brush, I painted on these reindeer ears. Using a 1/2 inch flat brush and the red and white from this one stroke, I created a bow in between the reindeer's ears, and I also painted its nose on as well. Using a brown face paint and a low cornell round number 4 brush, I painted on these really simple reindeer antlers. Created this furry reindeer nose using a 1/2 inch flat brush and the brown and yellow split cake. I sponged pink onto the cheeks. Using a black face paint, I outlined the whole design. Lightly sponged on a bit of brown reindeer contour, but you can totally skip this step if you just want to be quick. I then went into a white face paint and I painted on dots on the reindeer's cheeks. I added white highlights to the rest of the design. I put on a red lipstick. Obviously if you're doing this on a child at an event, you'd probably just use like a red face paint, but this is Candy Cane by Lipstick Queen. Also added a bit of glitter to the top of the cheeks and to the nose, and this is Rose Quartz Glitter by Eco Stardust, and this is biodegradable glitter.